As a seasoned project management professional, I've navigated the landscape of countless tools designed to streamline workflows and boost team collaboration. Among these, Wrike stands out as a robust and versatile platform embraced by organizations across diverse industries. But have you ever stopped to ponder the origin of its name? Wrike. It's a concise, memorable moniker. But what's the story behind it? For those new to the world of project management software or simply curious about the etymology of popular tech solutions, the name Wrike might seem like a simple label. However, delving into its history reveals a thoughtful connection to the core principles and aspirations of the platform itself. This video will unpack the journey behind the name, exploring the initial vision, the evolution of the product, and how the name encapsulates the essence of what Wrike aims to achieve for its users. The genesis, a need for order in the chaos. To understand the significance of the name Wrike, we need to rewind to the early days of the company. Founded in 2006 by Andrew Filev, Wrike emerged from a personal frustration, the lack of efficient tools to manage complex projects and distributed teams. In a world increasingly reliant on collaborative efforts, the existing methods often fell short, leading to miscommunication, missed deadlines, and overall project chaos. Filev envisioned a solution that would bring clarity and control to this often turbulent environment. He sought to create a platform that would empower teams to work together seamlessly, track progress effectively, and ultimately, achieve their goals with greater efficiency. This initial vision laid the groundwork for the development of a powerful project management tool. The quest for a name, capturing the core essence. The process of choosing a name for a new company and its flagship product is a crucial one. The name needs to be memorable, pronounceable, and ideally, reflect the core values and functionality of the offering. In the case of Wrike, the selection wasn't arbitrary. It was a deliberate attempt to encapsulate the very essence of what the software aimed to provide: structure, efficiency, and a sense of control over work. While the exact, step-by-step brainstorming process might not be publicly documented in granular detail, understanding the intended meaning behind the name offers valuable insight. The name Wrike is believed to be a portmanteau, a clever blending of two key words that represent the platform's central purpose: work and strike. Let's break down each component. Work. This element is self-explanatory. At its heart, Wrike is a platform designed to manage work, tasks, projects, workflows, and all the associated complexities. It's the central activity that the software aims to organize and optimize. By including work in the name, the founders clearly communicated the primary domain of the tool: strike. This part of the name carries a more nuanced meaning. Strike can imply several positive actions and outcomes relevant to project management. To hit a target. In project management, hitting deadlines and achieving goals are paramount. Strike evokes a sense of precision and successful completion. To take decisive action. Effective project management requires proactive steps and the ability to address issues swiftly. Strike can suggest a tool that empowers users to take control and move projects forward decisively. To create a strong impact, a well-managed project delivers significant results. Strike can allude to the powerful impact that Wrike aims to have on team productivity and project success. To eliminate inefficiency. By streamlining workflows and improving collaboration, Wrike helps teams strike down inefficiencies and wasted effort. By combining work and strike, the name Wrike subtly communicates the platform's core value proposition: a tool that empowers teams to effectively manage their work and achieve impactful results with precision and control. It's a concise and dynamic name that hints at the power and efficiency the software offers. Beyond the blend, other potential interpretations and considerations. While the work and strike explanation is the most commonly accepted origin, it's also worth considering other potential layers and interpretations that might have influenced the name selection. Sound and memorability. The name Wrike has a strong, distinct sound that makes it easily memorable. In the crowded landscape of software solutions, a unique and catchy name is crucial for brand recognition. The sharp K sound adds to its distinctiveness. Global appeal. While the origin might be rooted in English words, Wrike is relatively easy to pronounce and remember across different languages, contributing to its global appeal as the company expanded internationally. Abstract yet evocative. The name isn't overly literal, which allows it to encompass the evolving features and capabilities of the platform over time. As Wrike grew beyond basic task management to offer features like resource planning, budgeting, and advanced analytics, the name remained relevant due to its underlying connotations of efficiency and impact. The evolution of Wrike. The name endures. Since its inception, Wrike has evolved significantly, growing from a startup to a leading project management platform trusted by millions worldwide. It has consistently added new features and integrations, adapting to the changing needs of modern teams. Despite this evolution, the name Wrike has remained constant, a testament to its initial relevance and the strong brand identity it has helped to build. The name has become synonymous with efficient project management, seamless collaboration, and the ability to bring order to complex workflows. It represents a solution that empowers teams to work effectively and strike their goals with confidence. Why this matters: the power of a name. Understanding the story behind a company's name might seem like a trivial exercise, but it often provides valuable insights into the company's mission, values, and the core problem it aims to solve. In the case of Wrike, the name reflects a fundamental desire to empower teams to be more productive and achieve better outcomes. For those learning about project management or aspiring to write about it, understanding the nuances behind the tools and methodologies is crucial. The story of Wrike's name serves as a reminder that even seemingly simple labels can carry significant meaning and reflect a deeper understanding of the industry and its challenges.